Hi, I'm Movie Smart Cat, and today we talk little about the Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. Samsung will be unveiling the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus in about 3 weeks, and, just as expected, it can't seal the floodgates of leaks and tips coming our way that showcase the phone's design and some even flaunt it in working condition. The latest set of Galaxy S8 pictures comes courtesy of a screen protector maker. We can clearly see the two iris scanning cameras on the right of the earpiece, then the front camera, light and proximity sensors, as well as the notification light on the left of it, and the SIM tray lit up top. There's one more opening at the top, which is probably the second mic, and the bottom houses the USB-C port, another microphone, and a speaker grill. The dedicated Bixby button, on the left is visible too, but the key takeaway here is that we are seeing the S8 and S8 Plus next to each other, and can grasp pretty well the size of these phones, which seems to be rather compact for their rumored 5.8 inches and 6.2-inch screen diagonals, curved flexible displays or not. So, that's all for now. For more news, stay tuned. If you like the video, like and subscribe for more. And be sure to leave a comment down below. Bye.